Back at Disneyland, it's Pixar Fest 2024. Cooper's here with me.
Yeah.
The whole family's here.
Guys,
what is it?
Pixar Fest 2024.
Look at the big giant thing. I don't know what you call it, a statue? They got all these Pixar Fest banners up.
Yeah, guys, they have a new Pixar parade now.
Yeah, they do. Over at California Adventure, they have a parade. Today we're doing Disneyland.
Then tomorrow, California Adventure. Hi, guys.
That's cool. You ready for a fun day at Disneyland? Last night we were at the Angels game. If you want to watch that vlog, I'll have a link down below, but you can check it out. Do you want to go take a picture by the Pixar sign? For Mother's Day today, they're doing a free flower for the moms. Just got to try to get through here. Wow, do you feel special?
So special.
Happy Mother's Day.
Thank you.
Happy Mother's Day. Our first ride is the Pinocchio ride, celebrating Mother's Day with you today. Isn't that fun?
So much fun.
Camden, can you say Happy Mother's Day to Mom? So we're finishing up all the Fantasyland rides, then we're going to go to Mickey and Minnie's Runaway Railway, and then go see the Pixar characters, all the Pixar characters.
Guys, on Fantasyland, guys, then Tube Town, and I want to go on Tomorrowland, guys.
Okay. Camden. Hi, Cam. Are you going to ride a horse? And we're on, who's on the ride with us, Melissa?
Mary Poppins and Bert.
And the band, too. Hi, Cooper. We always end up with Mary Poppins on there. The band is going to be playing some music for us. Carter. Hi. Okay, Chloe, show everyone what you've got going on with your water bottle. So she's doing autographs on it. Isn't that cool? I love that idea. Auntie Erin showed you, right? Okay, then. Apparently there's a hidden Pizza Planet truck in a small world. I'm going to try to find it and show you guys. For Pixar Fest, they're hiding these all over the park. Okay, we're in this room now. I'm going to see if we see it. You tell me if you see it. Right there. There's the hidden truck. So we found the other hidden truck in Goofy's house. It's right there, right up there. All right, guys, we made it to Star Wars Land. I ordered one of those cold brews. I'm waiting for about 10 minutes. We decided to chill. Cooper's doing the single rider line on Millennium Falcon Smuggler's Run, and we found this little spot to hang out. But I just wanted to wish all of the moms in the world a happy Mother's Day, especially to what mom, Chloe? Our mom. So thanks, Melissa, for everything you do for the kids and for me. You are an amazing mom, and we appreciate you so much. Chloe, is there anything you want to say to Mom?
Happy Mother's Day, Mom. Thank you for providing us stuff, and taking us to fun stuff and trips.
Carter, do you want to say anything to Mom?
Thank you, Mom.
Cody, do you want to say Happy Mother's Day, Mom?
I'm not dead.
Say Happy Mother's Day, Mom.
I'm not dead.
Here. Say Happy Mother's Day, Mom. Say Happy Mother's Day, Mom.
Yes.
Okay, Carter, what else do you want to say?
I love you, Mom.
I love you, Mom?
Yeah, and now, please give a TV trips at Disneyland, and we go in. You don't find me. For the Magic Happens parade. This parade's cool. Have you seen it, right? Like last January, right? Wait. Say hi, Moana. There's me go. Hola! What'd you guys think of the parade?
Loved it.
Yeah? A lot of people said happy birthday to you, Cooper.
Carter just
Carter's being special. Look how dirty you are, Carter. So we're about to ride on Hyperspace Mountain. It's the Star Wars version of Space Mountain, which I really like.
7, standing by. Good luck, pilots.
All wings prepare to jump into hyperspace on my mark. Punch it!
What was that? We're coming out of nowhere. Enemy fighters coming your way.
All wings fall back.
3 marks coming in at .04. It's a trap.
All right, we made it to the Pixar character party. I don't know, like a dance party at the theater. We're gonna go meet Luca. Let's go. So this is where Luca's gonna be. Show him that bucket that you got for your friend. I think it's like Jar Jar, I think. So cool. Was his head open up? Oh my god. So popcorn buckets are so fun.
They are really fun.
Hi, Luca. Cody, you want to meet Luca? You want to say hi? Say hi to Luca. Got a fun thing where you can draw pictures. You guys drawing pictures of Luca? Look at that. That's so cool. Cody's loving the dance party. Keep dancing, Cody.
Okay, happy faces, happy time. Here we go. And then pizza. You got it. And stop. All right, everyone, can you clap your hands like this? There you go. Can you clap even faster? Let's try it. You can start the pose.
Happy Mother's Day, Mom.
And what do you love about her?
When she takes me places.
Say something to Mom for Mother's
Happy
Day.
Mother's Day. I love you and have a great Mother's Day. And we got to go to Disneyland and we're celebrating my birthday. It's on May 20th and we're heading straight over to California Adventure to ride Monsters Inc. And then we're going to go on lots of rides today and we're going to have food and ice cream. I'm going to have ice cream party at the Cars Land.
Nice. How was your Mother's Day at Disney?
It was so much fun.
You have a good day?
Perfect. Such a great day.
Perfect. Next year you want to go by yourself or with family again?
Either is good.
Fine, it's good. Okay. So thanks for joining us for Mother's Day. If you enjoyed, subscribe and we'll see you in the next one.